Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Here I am with you, Muhammad Ashikur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. See here, you can see this one is our output. Today we will solve this output, how to write HTML to show this output. Okay, so see here, this is your question and you can say this one is output, HTML table output. At first see here, we are using here table heading. So you can see here name, website, this one is bold format, that's why this one is called table heading. So you have to find out which one is table data, which one is external file, which one is external link, which one is internal link. Okay, is there any row span or is there any col span? So at first you have to find out all of those things. Okay, so my dear students, let's see. I'm showing you which one is table heading, which one is table data, which one is internal link, and which one is external link, and is there any row span or col span. Okay, so let's start. So my dear students, see here, this is a table, and this one you can see here there are 3 rows: name, website, this one is first row, then Akash, notice.html, this one is second row, and last one w3schools.com, right? So there are 3 rows. Now let's find out which one is our table heading. So here you can see name, website, those are table heading. Why? Because they are bold format. Okay, then see here Akash, this one is table data. Why? Akash is under name th. And then again see notice.html and w3schools.com, those are also under website. Website is table heading, right? That's correct. And see here notice.html and w3schools.com, those are also table data, and also those are link, hyperlink. So my dear students, as you know, you already know about which one is internal link and which one is external link. Now I am again telling you which one is internal link and which one is external link. So see here notice.html, notice is our file name and .html is extension file, right? So this one is, you can say, personal file, that's why this one you can say internal link. And again see here w3school.com, see here .com and with www, that means this website you can use worldwide. That's why this one you can't tell this one is internal, you have to say this one is external because it's using worldwide. Okay, so now you can say which one is internal and which one is external. Okay, then let's see, is there any row span or col span, right? So see here Akash, this one is, I already told about this Akash, this one is table data, but is there any row span or col span? See here Akash is in a cell, but if we divide it inside Akash, that means Akash is divided into 2 cells. That's why this one is, you can say this one is row span. But how many row span? How many span? Here you can see if we divide Akash into 2 cells, that means Akash row span is 2. You have to use row span 2 for Akash. Okay, so I think all our concepts are clear, and must you have to use here table border also. So table is tag, border is attribute, and after equal inside double quotation 1 or 2 or 3, those are value, attribute value. So here you can see outer border is only 1, that's why you have to use table border 1, right? Okay, so I think my dear student all concepts are clear, no doubt I think. So let's see how to show this output. At first we have to write the HTML code, right? So let's write the HTML code. The new text document, I am taking new text document, and then we have to open this file, then see our notepad is opened, and now we have to write here our HTML code, right? So let's start. First of all, you have to write HTML, then body. Okay, so those are basic structure of HTML. Then you have to write here table border, because we are using table here. Table border, then table border equal to what? Equal to 1. Why? Because their outer line is only 1. That's why you have to write 1. Then you have to write tr. Why tr? Because we are starting our row, and I already told you to check our output. See here we have 3 rows. That's why at first we have to use first row, then second row, then third row. Serially we have to use row for table row. T for table, R for row. That's why see here tr for table row. We are opening table row. Then first of all, first row, you can see first row there are name, and this one is bold format. That's why you have to write here th for table heading. Automatically this will be bold format, and then write name and close the th. Okay, then again we have to show the website also. That's why again write th, then write website similarly, and close the th file, th tag. This one is closing tag. And now we have to close the tr also, table row. So my dear students, see here, this one is our first row. That means see the output, our output first row is completed. Similarly we have to open our second row also. So let's write second row, start from left to right. That's why write here tr. Then see here, we can see Akash. Akash is td, table data. That's why you have to use td tag here. Okay, but see here, Akash not only a data, it also span also. It says span, row span. That's why you have to write here td row span. Okay, td row span, don't close it. td is tag, row span is attribute. Then you have to give the value. So span is here, there are 2 span. That means you have to write here 2, row span 2. Which one? Akash. Okay, I'm again telling this, td is table data, and you are expanding or divided Akash into 2 part. That's a 2 cell. That's why here you can see row span 2, then Akash, then close the td tag. Okay, td complete. Then Akash is going to second row. That's why it's connected with notice.html, right? So next line you have to use here td again, but here only notice.html is data, and also this one is internal link. So you have to use the internal link syntax. I know you already know about the syntax of internal and external link. So just I'm writing the syntax. That means a tag, anchor tag, this is link tag, then href, this one is attribute, and here you have to write the file. Our file name is notice.html. This one is private file, personal file, you can say personal file. That's why I'm not using here www, just only write the file name. And then again, which one we have to click? We have to click notice.html. That's why link text, this position is link text. So just write notice.html and closing the a tag, and also you have to close the td tag also. Our data is completed, and then you have to close tr also. Why? Because our second row is completed here. We are using here already used 2 row, and we have only last row. There are, you can see w3school.com, this one is our last row. So again you have to start tr, and then again write the data, that's why you have to use td. Then you have to give the link syntax href. I already did in before for personal file. Now http hypertext transfer protocol, then colon double slash, and then you have to write www.w3schools.com. this one is our URL, right? And then we have to click where? We have to click w3school.com. From output you can see w3schools.com is our click point. So you have to write like this, w3schools.com, right? And then close the a tag and also close the td tag. That's it. Okay, and then we have to close the tier tag also. Why? Because we are done. Third row also completed. And then you have to close the table tag also. Table is our tag, not border. Border is attribute. So must you have to use table here, only table close. You have to close table. Then close the body tag also. And last one, you have to close HTML also, right? So my dear student, this is our actual HTML tag. So you have to write this way in your exam copy or in your paper. So let's see in practical how this output is appeared. So let's see. You have to click file here, then save as, click save as, then click the destination where we have to save. I am using here desktop. I want to save here. Then see here file name, you have to give the file name. So let's write file name is lab, but must you have to use here extension file, that is .html. That means lab.html. Lab is your any types of name, but here .html is must for any type of HTML tag. Then you have to click save. Okay, so let's see in our desktop. Yeah, you're seeing this one is our browser. My default browser is Google Chrome, that's why it's look like Google Chrome logo. Okay, no problem, just open it. See, this one is our output. So we are done. Just see here, this one is the output, figure 1, and we already shown this figure with our HTML tag. Okay, so I think this one is clear to you. That's it. So my dear students, hope you have understood my today's video class. If you have any problem, then ask me or ask your subject teacher. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.